It was flown operationally by Cotton and his regular co-pilot, Canadian Flying Officer Bob Niven, and Niven's logbooks reveal the secret missions. In mid-June 1939, this very airplane flew to Malta, and from there, it undertook recce sorties covering key points in the Italian Empire, as far as Italian Somaliland and Libya, including naval bases and aerodromes. On the 13th of August, it made a 6-hour, 10-minute flight from Heston to the Wilhelmshaven area of Germany and back, capturing Luftwaffe airfields and the East Frisian Islands. And at the end of August, it photographed naval objectives in the North German coastal areas. Of U-boats refueling there, and to photograph the Dutch and Belgian ports to test the presence or otherwise of boom defences. In September 1939, the Secret Intelligence Service flight This aeroplane was used as a support aircraft and on SIS business, often flying to France before the armistice in 1940. Then it was damaged in its hangar at Heston when a parachute mine was dropped by a Luftwaffe aircraft on the 19th of September 1940. Fighter Aviation Engineering, and they've had it restored by Air Leasing and Sidewell. It made its first flight on the 27th of March this year, the first time it had flown in Britain since 1940. It was one of several Lockheed 12s associated with Sidney Cotton, who also owned a number of them post-war. But what of that link to the Spitfire? Well, it was one Flying Officer Maurice Shorty Longbottom, who was already something of a specialist in aerial reconnaissance, who in August 19th first sortie out of Lille-Seclin on the 18th of November 1939. That and further PR Spitfire Mark I were very active over France in the months that followed. And so it went on from there. And while Cotton departed the photographic development unit in June 1940, the concept had then been improved, and it was improved upon by successive parts of the reconnaissance Spitfire. V1 flying bomb launch sites. Crucially, they also performed battle damage assessment.